In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix smooth text animation in CapCut on PC. If your text animations in CapCut look choppy, laggy, or not as smooth as you expected, don't worry. We're going to walk through what you need to check and adjust so your text moves cleanly and professionally across the screen. First, open CapCut on your PC and load the project where you're seeing the problem. Make sure your video and text clips are already on the timeline. Click on the text layer that looks rough or jittery. This selects the exact element we'll be working on. With the text selected, go to the right-hand side of the screen where you see the editing options. Look for the animation panel. This is where CapCut controls how your text appears, moves, and disappears. You'll usually see three types of animations: in, out, and combo. In controls how the text enters, out controls how it leaves, and combo handles full motion effects. Choose the animation you're using, or pick a new one if you want a different style. The key here is the duration and easing of that animation. Duration is simply how long the movement takes. If it's too short, the motion can look abrupt or jerky. Try increasing the duration slightly, then play it back. A longer duration often helps the movement appear smoother. Next, check your project's playback quality. At the top right of the preview window, there's usually a quality setting. If it's set too high for your computer, the preview can stutter even if the final export is fine. Lower the preview quality to something like medium or low. This doesn't affect your final video. It only makes playback more fluid while you edit, which helps you judge the smoothness of the animation more accurately. Now, look at your timeline. Make sure the text layer isn't overlapping too many heavy effects or high-resolution clips at the same time, as that can slow things down. If needed, temporarily mute other layers or hide them while you fine-tune the text animation. Once you're happy with how the text moves, do a short test export of just a few seconds. Open that exported file and watch it outside of CapCut. If the text looks smooth there, you've fixed the issue. Repeat these adjustments for any other text clips that look rough. By tweaking animation duration, lowering preview quality, and reducing timeline strain, you can get clean, smooth text animations in CapCut on your PC.